Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Nursing Education. So today we are going to discuss about the some main clinical manifestation of the disease malaria. So first one, when we talk about central nervous system, headache is the main symptom in our CNS. Then when we talk about systemic, then it is the main symptom is the fever. When we talk about muscular, then fatigue, pain and back pain is also there in the patients of malaria. Yeah, then the patient of the malaria will experience some chills, sweating, and he will have dry cough. There will be some respiratory problems like dry cough, and then he will feel nausea and vomiting because his citizen chemotherapy trigger zone will be activated and he will feel like he wants to vomit or he will feel like vomiting and nausea. Then his spleen will be enlarged. These were the some main symptoms of the malaria, and do remember these symptoms as they are very important in our day-to-day life or in nursing education also. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe.